Hi all, welcome to my channel, welcome to my worlds, the world away, and it's the weekend, which means we've got another couple of episodes of Welcome to the Cave. Now there is a subtle theme in the next two videos you're going to watch today, and that's definitely railroads. One is a model railroad, which is the second one, and the first one, you've got to check out Alex's railroad cannon that he's got. It just blew the video away, I have to say. Something else that I did love is that you've got neons in there, Alex. I really do think we need a neon in here sooner or later. And I love how you've got the paints around your workstation. But I love your cave, Alex, so this is your submission.
Hello everyone, hello Wayne. It is Alex from UK. Today I'm going to show you my man cave or my hobby room, whatever you wanna call. And I will show you what I've been doing as well. And let's get started. Okay. This is my man cave. Okay, so let's get started from here. This is my workbench. This is for RC section, and also there is a another section for static model. So there is all my static models are there, and there is my Sikorsky RC helicopter. There is another one that you can see, that's the for training one. Okay, and then you can see my setup, my paints, my everything, my airbrush. And also I have received this Tamiya truck recently. I bought it from Tamiya. This is really good, really good truck. I'm just waiting for some part to do some modification on. And also this one is I just ordered my first issue from Ghostbusters, and and also let's go to the other side, and let me tell you about my Dora railway gun. I've been working on it like 6 months, nearly 99% is done. Just need some bits and pieces to do on it. Nearly finished. And also this is 1/35 scale German Dora railway gun from Second World War. As you can see, I've been working on it, lot of job on there. And also, if you are interested, I can sell it as well. Just let the Wayne know, then he can contact with me about it. And also there is all my tools are there: screwdriver, my RC tools, my tweezers. And also I can tell you that I'm a very big Ferrari lover. You can see Ferrari neon line on my workbench. And there is my Proxxon drill. And also let's go the other side. This is my this is my spray boots that I just did like 1 month ago. That's the custom made. I made it with someone else, but it looks really good. It's very big, very large. You can do any model in there. And I've been working on the RC bot as well. It's got so much to do. And there is my compressor as well. There is my table saw from Proxon. Proxon doing really good tools, so that's why I prefer always Proxon. So yeah, this is my main cave. You can see there is the 1.8 scale Ferrari F40 from Porsche. That's really good Ferrari. So that's the next my project. And then there is my Optimus Prime as well. There is a old Second World War static model on there that I need to work on them. There is so much to do. So yeah, if I have time, yeah, that's my man cave. I hope you like it, guys. Okay, I hope everyone is good and stay safe. Have a nice one, everyone. Thank you, Wayne. Bye.
Now the next cave we've got is Peter Cooper, and I have to say, obviously, straight away, the model railroad giving me ideas for the one I'm doing. I definitely want to have that mountain sort of effect going on, and it's amazing what you can do from a flat surface building up, which is what I'm doing with my model railway at the moment. Not quite sure how I'm going to do it, but it has gave me a lot of ideas. You've got some great collectibles as well, but thank you for your submission as well, Peter. This is your cave.
Hi, I'm Peter Cooper, and this is my tour of my man cave, hobby room, railway room. So here we go. As you walk in, first thing that hits you is my N-gauge railway layout. This is 8 foot by 3 foot. It's taken me about 6-8 months so far of work, and it goes round to the side for the yard and storage. This is my workbench with paints, my airbrushes there, sort of selection of, so this is all tools that sort of hand. Yes, it looks untidy, but it's organised mess, and I know where everything is. That's the work area. Here we have display case with not rare, nothing special, but these are just Hot Wheels that I like as individual cars. Sorry about the glare. Some more items up here of just glues, scenic materials and tools. Nothing special. And there is a display case with the Red Arrow Nats, and that is actually over 40 years old. And on this shelf, because prior to this model railway I used to build scale models, so this was a diorama I did, modern armour in 1/35 scale. You can see it just lays in before manoeuvres. There you go, that's about 3.5 foot long. The wall, commemorative SR71 presenting to me picture. AMT art print from the 1970 Chevy Impala. I've actually owned a real one of those in the past. So this is the main hobby room. So we'll take a walk. Here we have display case of die cast and models of aircraft. And that's one that SR71 that I'm actually working on at the moment. The drone is quite dark. Model of a Spitfire again, nearly finished. BF 109. Now that little there, that plane there, is die cast, and you couldn't actually, it was not a retail item. It was actually because I brought a Hamilton watch, I got the aircraft. There's a couple of awards in there of competitions I've done. Down the bottom there, a couple of Air Force Phantoms. Just close that up. Son's Firehouse from Playmobil. His stuff is everywhere because I only see him at weekends. So this is my bedroom, and as you can see, oh, it's my radio control buggy. This is all his Legos oil everywhere. None of that's mine. That is literally all his stuff. Now we come to my son's layout, which is a 00 gauge, a 6 foot by 4 foot layout. But because of lack of storage, I built an extension to the side there. And there you go, look, welcome to the cave. Up here we have a display case with, these are the Atlas Editions collectible trains, no longer in business. I've been collecting a few of those. What else have we got? Oh, a couple more radio control cars up there. That's actually my son's one. A few odds and ends. No major collections, but let's just open this cabinet up. A couple of more models I built. Fast and Furious diecast. Lego Penguin car. And these are 75mm figures that I've built and painted. That one's actually got a mirror on it. That's that one. There's a Rusty Wreck. And that's quite a few years old that I did that. It's a 1940 Ford. It's a figure from Far Cry 4. And here we've got another case with just a few odd bits. Another unfinished diorama there. Again, 1/35 scale that I've been building. Lego Audi Quattro, had to have that. Another Fast and Furious car there, the Ford Escort. DeLorean I built, 1/24 scale. And police car my son built. And an Audi R8. So, yeah. That's my man cave and hobby room, bedroom for my son's layout. There goes more storage. That's all Lego in those cases. That's all more Lego. Excuse me. And this I'm building for my sister. It's a Lego, well, not Lego, sorry. It's a micro brick Tower Bridge, and it is horrendous. It's like 3,500 pieces. I'll give you an idea of size. Give you an idea. That's how small some of the pieces are. You can see it's very small and fiddly. That's why there's a magnifying glass. But that's as far as I've got in about 2 days. It's horrendous. But yeah, there we go. Cheers all.
Now tomorrow we've got Simplord and Matthew Thomas's cave. Next week we're going to have Saturday, we're going to have Michael Bradford, and on Sunday we've got Neil Dixon and Conrad Knopp. Now you will notice on the coming soon I've only got 2 more caves. That's it. And then pretty much that's this series ended, unless you peeps out there can come on board and send me some pictures of your man caves, workrooms, hobby rooms, workstations, anything like that. I want to see them. Now there's few ways you can actually get them to me. The first is to actually just send me an email and attach it to the email, wayne@worldofwayne.co.uk. If you can't get the file because it's too big, you can email me and I'll send you a Google Drive link. Or another option you've got is if you go to wetransfer.com, you'll be able to send a large file to that, type in my email address, and it will send me that way as well. But I need more submissions, otherwise we can't continue with this. And I'm just interested in any cave, no matter how big, how small it is, just so we can share it with the world and we can join the community together. But look, I really hope you liked that video. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe. Other than that, take care.